Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Question. Define religion and explain its importance in human societies. Religion is defined as a system of beliefs and worship that expresses the meaning of life and death. It is reinforced through rituals and passed from generation to generation orally or through books. Religions differ in their beliefs and practices. They can generally be classified into 1. Monotheistic religions. These belief systems center around the worship of one God, such as Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. 2. Polytheistic religions. These traditions involve the belief in multiple gods. Examples include Hinduism and some African traditional religions. Despite their differences, religions share common values that influence moral and ethical behavior across societies. Importance of religion in human societies. 1. Provides meaning and purpose in life. Religion helps individuals understand life's purpose, origins, and the afterlife. It provides hope, guidance, and comfort, particularly during difficult times. For example, Christianity and Islam teach that believers who live according to God's will are rewarded with eternal life in heaven. Similarly, African traditional religion, ATR, teaches that ancestors play a role in guiding and protecting their descendants. 2. Guides moral and ethical behavior. Religious teachings establish moral codes that guide human behavior by helping people distinguish between right and wrong. These principles encourage honesty, compassion, and justice. For example, the Ten Commandments in Christianity and Judaism teach that believers should not steal, kill, or lie. Buddhism's 5 precepts emphasize nonviolence, truthfulness, and respect for life. 3. Promotes social unity and belonging. Religion brings people together through shared beliefs, traditions, and rituals, fostering a sense of belonging. It strengthens relationships among individuals, families, and communities. For example, Muslims come together for Friday Jumu'ah prayers, strengthening communal bonds. Hindu festivals like Diwali unite families and entire communities in celebration. 4. Influences culture and traditions. Many cultural customs and traditions have religious roots, influencing art, music, literature, and social practices. Religious values often shape a society's way of life. For example, Gothic cathedrals in Europe were inspired by Christian beliefs, while African traditional religions use storytelling and ancestor veneration to pass down cultural and spiritual knowledge. 5. Acts as a source of comfort and hope. During challenging times, religion provides emotional support by offering guidance, prayer, and faith in a higher power. It helps individuals cope with grief, stress, and uncertainty. For example, many people turn to religious leaders for counseling and prayer when facing personal difficulties. Hinduism's belief in karma provides reassurance that good actions will bring future rewards. 6. Encourages charity and social justice. Many religious teachings emphasize helping the poor, sick, and marginalized. Religious organizations and faith groups often engage in humanitarian work. For example, Islamic zakat, charity tax, requires Muslims to donate a portion of their income to the needy. Christian missionaries and faith-based charities provide food, shelter, and education to disadvantaged communities. 7. Shapes laws and governance. Religious principles have influenced legal systems worldwide, shaping laws on justice, equality, and human rights. Many governments incorporate religious values into their legal frameworks. For example, Sharia law in some Islamic countries is based on Islamic teachings. Western legal systems, influenced by Christian and Jewish ethics, promote principles like fairness, honesty, and respect for human life. 8. Religion and human behavior. Religion provides guidance on how individuals should conduct themselves in various aspects of life. It influences behavior towards the Creator, other people, and the environment. Religious teachings emphasize devotion through worship, prayer, and rituals, while also promoting values such as love, kindness, and respect in human interactions. Additionally, many religions advocate for environmental stewardship, encouraging individuals to care for and protect nature. Therefore, religion plays a vital role in providing moral guidance, social cohesion, cultural identity, and personal fulfillment. It influences individual beliefs, traditions, and even legal systems, shaping how people live and interact.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.